Sales and discounts. Many items you buy that are on sale at a discounted price. That means you will pay less than the regular price. And that's a good thing. So we want to calculate the discount and the selling price of a shirt that is priced at $25.99, but it's on sale for 50% off. So in order to do this, we need to find 50% of $25.99. So we are going to calculate the discount. So that's what we're doing first. So remember that 50% of $25.99 is the same as taking 0.50. So I'm changing that percentage into a decimal, and I'm multiplying that by 25.99. And that gives me a value of $13 when I round up. Because it's 12.995, but remember I can only keep 2 decimal places when I'm dealing with money, so that 5 will bump this 9 up to a 10. So I carry that 1, and this is 10, so I carry that 1, and so I am left with $13. So the discount is $13. So what is the selling price? Well, in order to find the selling price, I need to take my original price and subtract the discount. So I'm taking my $25.99 and I'm subtracting my $13 discount. And that's going to give me a value of $12.99. And I could write a therefore statement. So therefore, the discount is $13 and the selling price is $12.99. Let's take a look at another example. We want to calculate the discount and the selling price of a printer that is priced at $110.59, but it's on sale for 25% off. So we're going to start by calculating the discount. And we do that by finding 25% of our original price, which is $110.59. Remember to convert your percentage to a decimal number by dividing by 100 or moving that decimal place 2 spots to the left. And we're multiplying that by our original price of $110.59. So that gives me an answer of $27.65 when I round up. So if I look here, remember I can only keep 2 decimal places when I'm dealing with money. So this 7 will bump this up to a 5. So this becomes $27.65. Now I want to calculate my selling price. And the selling price is always the original price. Subtract the discount. So $110.59 take away $27.65 is equal to $82.94. So therefore, the discount is $27.65 and the selling price is $82.94. Let's do another example. So we're going to calculate the selling price of a shirt that is priced at $32, but it's on sale for 20% off. So first thing that we want to do is we want to figure out what the discount is. So even though it's not asking me to calculate the discount, I have to do that in order to find the selling price of my shirt. So I want to find 20% of $32. That's the same of taking 0.2 and timesing that by 32. So that gives me an answer of $6.40. So it only gives me 6.4 in my calculator, but I know that money has to have 2 decimal places, so I add a 0 at the end to make $6.40. So from there, I need to find my selling price. And I do that by taking my original price of $32 and subtracting my discount of $6.40. And that gives me an answer of $25.60. So it really only gives me 25.6 in my calculator, but I have to add that extra 0 at the end because money needs 2 decimal places. So this is one way to solve this question. Remember in a previous lesson we learned about another method in order to solve for percent more or less. So what I could do is I know that my original price is 100% and I want to take away 20%, so that gives me 80%. So my selling price I need to find 80% of $32. So I do that by converting my percentage to a decimal number. So dividing that by 100 or moving my decimal place 2 spots to the left. So 0.8 times 32. And 0.8 times 32 is $25.60. So it's only 25.6 in my calculator, but I know that money has to have 2 decimal places, so it's $25.60. So each of these methods would be acceptable to find the selling price of your shirt. So if you're not being asked to find the discount as well, then you could do the method in green if you wanted to. So therefore, the selling price of the shirt is $25.60. Let's take a look at completing a chart. So we're focusing again on sales and discounts in this lesson. So we want to figure out what the original price is, what the sale percentage is, so how much we're taking off of that item, and what's left over. So this sort of comes back to what we did in that last example in the green. So the leftover percentage is 100 take away 50, which is 50%. So our sale price, we need to find 50% of $36, or 0.5 times 36, and that gives me an answer of $18. For the next one, my leftover percentage, I start with 100. It's a sale, so I'm subtracting 35%. And that gives me a leftover percentage of 65. So 65% is right there. In order to calculate the sale price, I need to find 65% of my original amount, which was $28.99. So that's the same as taking 0.65 and multiplying it by 28.99. and that gives me an answer of $18.84. So it really gives me $18 and 8435, but I can only keep 2 decimal places, and because this is a 3, then it's just $18.84. For the next one, the leftover percentage is 100 take away 10, which is 90%. So my sale price, I need to find 90% of $125.79, which is the same as multiplying 0.9 by 125.79, which is the same as $113.21. It actually gives me an extra 1 here if I enter it in my calculator, but know that I can only keep 2 decimal places because this is a 1, it makes this 1 stay the same. For the next one, I am looking for my leftover percentage first, so it's 100 take away 40, which is 60%. And then my sale price, I need to find 60% of my original amount, which was $159.29, which is the same as taking 0.6 and multiplying it by 159.29. Which gives me an answer of $95.57. So really it gives me that 4 at the end, but the 4 is less than 5, so I can just keep it as 57. And lastly, my leftover percentage is 100 take away 30, which is 70%. So I'm actually only paying 70% of my original price, which was $67.50. So that's the same as taking 0.70 and multiplying it by 67.50. And that gives me an answer of $47.25. If you have any questions about this lesson, please send me an email or reach out to me somehow. Sign up for a virtual help session, and I will see you in the next lesson.